Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's lesson will be how to draw the eyes. So grab your materials and let's draw. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. The eye is one of the easiest parts in drawing portraits, but before we can draw the eyes, we need to first know how it is formed. We can break the eyes into simple shapes like the circle. Then we divide the circle into horizontal and vertical lines, and I call that the direction lines. Let's break it down into steps. As you can see, I'm drawing a typical eye, but this I started constructing it. I first started with a circle. It doesn't matter if the circle is okay or not, but as far it's a circle. Then step 2, we divide the circle using our direction lines. When looking at the one I've done now, you can see that the eye is facing straight and not bending. That's what those lines are for. For better understanding, I will draw more positions of the eye so you can all see how those direction lines are helpful. Just keep practicing different postures or position of the eye and shading, then you're good to go. Yeah, it's really just simple. Just practice. What you all have been waiting for. Now let's draw a realistic eye, and we'll start with the steps I showed you earlier. Then after that, we'll begin the shading and just do 1 or 2 things to make our eye look more realistic. Watch closely. When shading, we make sure we shade in layers and keep notes for the different tones that you can find in your reference photo. Don't just shade anyhow, like here now that the dark, mid, highlight and light tones. So I'm trying to shade according to what I can see there. and also add some details as you are shading along so everything can blend properly. I started shading with my lightest pencil, that is my 2B mechanical pencil. Then I moved in using the charcoal pencil to add more dark tone to it, more dark value there. And when I'm shading, I'm adding the details there gently and also blending it gently. Shading is really not that hard. All you just need to keep in mind is always shade in layers. Build up your shading from the lightest tone to the darkest tone. Don't just rush and start shading it value by value. You need to calm down, take your time, study the reference before shading. I'm using both my brush and blend the stump to blend my shading so it will look more smooth, and I also add some highlights there for some mistake I did. You can see it's gradually coming out little by little. And don't rush, never rush an artwork. Artwork takes time, never rush it. Add more details to your artwork, then add highlight to it and blend. Then we are done with our eye. I know it doesn't look more realistic as I hoped, but I guess I'm improving. Please subscribe to my channel for more artwork and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.